Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Once you're there, find the video you want to embed on your Behance project. This could be a tutorial, a portfolio showcase, or any content that complements your work. Make sure you're on the video page where you can actually watch the video. Now, look just below the video player where you'll see several buttons. Click on the share button. This will open up a small pop-up window with various sharing options. The share feature gives you access to different ways you can distribute your video across platforms. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll notice multiple options for sharing the video. Click on the embed option. This is specifically designed for inserting videos into websites and platforms like Behance, and it generates the special code you need. After clicking embed, you'll see a box containing the embed code. This code is what allows your video to play directly on your Behance project page. Click the copy button to save this code to your clipboard. You'll need this code in just a moment. Now switch over to Behance. At the top of your screen, hover your mouse over the Share Work option. This will reveal a drop-down menu with different options for uploading and sharing your creative projects. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Project. This will take you to the project creation page where you can build and customize your Behance portfolio piece with various media elements. Once you're on the project page, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see several options for adding different types of content to your project. Click on the Embed option. This tool is specifically designed for inserting external content like YouTube videos directly into your Behance projects. You'll now see a field appear where you can paste your code. Right-click in this field and paste the embed code you copied earlier from YouTube. After pasting the code, click the Embed button to finalize the process. Behance will now process the code and integrate your YouTube video directly into your project page. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded in your Behance project, allowing visitors to watch it without leaving your portfolio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.